Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like, subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, really helps out the channel. Super quick video today, as we can see for XRP. Really nice deviation of this 0.38 Fibonacci down here. Got down to around 34 cents on that recent swing low, but a really nice reversal back inside of this big fat coil that we've been seeing for years here. We really are reaching the apex of this now, and I think with the SEC lawsuit going in Ripple's favour, almost guaranteed, this is really a ticking time bomb going in towards the end of the year. As you can see, we're going to reach a decision for this going into the end of the year one way or another for sure in the end. And we can see here for XRP, I do think we're probably going to see a break to the upside and some continuation to the upside as well. It seems very likely to me. As you can see, XRP here is just basically coiling up for a really nice bull market. In my opinion, we could be seeing some real fireworks for this. Obviously, look at this chart. Really obvious in my opinion. We're going to be seeing some big swing highs. As you can see on the Fibonacci, I think up towards that $27 level isn't impossible at all, considering how long this has been going sideways, the huge catalyst that awaits, and all the other catalysts that we obviously know about. Right now, XRP gearing up for a bull market. It's still just going sideways and chilling. In my opinion, worth the wait now going into this critical time over the next year. Let's see what we can do.